Hi guys, it's Nunu and I'm here with you in discussion 7, Charles Bukowski and Leigh Hunt, 60 points. All right, let's survey this assignment and see what we have here. We have a video, Charles Bukowski on dying and how to write. If you are not familiar with this very famous Angelino writer, you'll meet him here. We have 3 links, the timeline requirements and the discussion rubric. We have a part 1. And we have a part 2. Okay, I'm going to click on the timeline so that you're familiar with it. So timeline, post part 1 by 11:59 p.m. on Thursday and post part 2 by 11:59 p.m. on Saturday. Okay, I'm clicking on the back arrow to get back into the assignment. And I will not read the directions with you, but I'm going to show you that you have a number of links. Charles Bukowski, link to a biography about him, his poem, Go All the Way, and his other poem, The Genius of the Crowd, Their Finest Art. And we have videos of these poems being read. And then we have Bukowski's story, The Most Beautiful Woman in Town, which is sometimes considered a narrative poem. We also have a biography of Leigh Hunt and his poem Jenny Kissed Me, and definitions of tone and mood for you to review. All right, I'm going to scroll back up to the top of this assignment. If you have any questions or concerns, I'm here in inbox and you're never emailing me too much. I love to hear from you. As you know, I'm super active in the discussions, so if I ask you a question, and I will, in your posting, please be sure to answer me. All right, let's have fun in discussion 7, Charles Bukowski and